Hello everyone, I'm Gogi and here is the review of a security IP camera that you can install at your home or office for just rupees 1300. This is the Digoo Mini Wi-Fi Night Vision Smart Home Security IP camera that's available for $17.99. That comes to approx rupees 1300. Inside the box you'll get this camera, a user manual, and you'll also get a cable to power this smart camera and a 3M sticker that you can use it to stick this camera to the wall or any other surface. This camera supports Wi-Fi and it can shoot in complete dark environments thanks to the 10 infrared LEDs on the front. If you look at the build quality and the finishing, it's very good. Glossy black on the top and matte black finishing at the bottom. It's a big camera, not really that small, but I was expecting it to be a lot smaller. This is the hook that you can use to fix it at any place you want. There is no built-in battery inside this camera, so you need to provide power to this device via the micro USB port. There is a mic next to the micro USB port, as you can see. There is a lens on the front and 10 infrared LEDs. I'll show that later. The reset button is on the back side. The first thing that I'm going to do is to download the Digoo I application from Google Play. Find it using the search option and then install it. Once you install it, make sure that your smartphone is connected to your primary router, primary Wi-Fi, and then click this button here, device list. Now there are several options available. You can try the first two options, Smart Link or the add manually. I'm going to use the Smart Link. Use the connect via Wi-Fi option. So this is the one I'm going to use. You need to enter the password of your primary Wi-Fi, and once you do that, you need to connect the camera. Now let's move on to the camera. There is a micro SD card slot, as you can see. So I'm going to insert a micro SD card inside this so that everything that gets recorded is stored on the SD card. The next thing that I'm going to do is to power on this camera, and once I do that, you'll see the green LED glowing. Now you can either use a adapter, the same adapter that you use to charge your smartphone, or you can use a power bank. That's a very good idea actually. So the camera is now ready. Let's move on to the application on the smartphone. Follow these steps, and now it will take some time for the camera to set up with the smartphone. It will automatically set up the Wi-Fi, and once done, you'll get this list here. The device ID is there. You will need to provide the nickname and password. The nickname and the password along with the device ID will be stored on the Digoo server so that you can access the live feeds from anywhere you want. If you're using this for the first time, the password is mentioned in the user manual. As already mentioned, there are two ways. You can use the Smart Link way or the add manual way, and the instructions are clearly mentioned in the user manual. As you can see here, the camera is ready and I can actually view it live from my smartphone. You can place this camera in one location with Wi-Fi support. There should be Wi-Fi access for the camera, and then you can use your smartphone to view the live feeds from anywhere in the world. This button is the guard feature. You can enable or disable the guard feature as and when you want using your smartphone, and there are other options also in this one. As you can see, the video recording is on. There is the microphone option. If you press the microphone icon, you will be able to hear the sound as recorded by the camera. There is also the snapshot option. You can check the same from the media snapshot, and these are the shots that I have taken. This camera can record videos in max 960p resolution, and the still camera quality is just about okay, not really that great. 1.3 MP resolution. Here are the different settings options. So you can use any of these options. You can customize it as per your need. Here are some more settings options. In this you can set up the time, the media setting. You can choose two different video formats, the sound volume, and then there is the network. This is the safety settings, the passwords basically, network settings. In this you can either choose wired or Wi-Fi. I've already set this up. The next thing is the alarm setting. This is an interesting feature, especially the motion detection option. I'm going to enable the motion detection and I'll give you an example on how it works. So that's on. With motion detection on, an alarm will be triggered when there is a slight motion. So first thing I'm going to do is to switch on the guard. It's on, and in fact recording has already started, and it should, there it is, you can see the alarm. So as soon as a motion is detected, the alarm will automatically trigger. Here are some more recording modes: manual, alarm, and timed video recording. Now in timed video recording, you can set up the time when you want the video recording to automatically start. And then there is the SD card option, and it will show up only when you insert a SD card. I'm using the manual recording mode and I have enabled the recording switch. So the recording has started and I can actually view the live content also by tapping the screen here. So you can see the video is being recorded. I'm going to try again. Switch on the recording switch, and then recording has already started. The data will be stored on the SD card. To view the recording, you will need to use your smartphone, and it should be connected with your camera. So this is how you can view the recording. The video file is stored in a different format, so you cannot view this using any other video player. So you'll have to use this player from the Digoo application. So as you can see, it did record the contents. This camera can record at night too. The infrared lights will automatically switch on. I'm going to switch off the lights, make it completely dark. It's completely dark now. Infrared lights have lightened up, and the camera can record in complete dark environment, and the output is really great considering the price of this camera. When using this camera for the first time, you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network, but once you set up the camera, you can record even without the Wi-Fi. Now for that, better go to the timed video recording, and I'm going to change the time to 24 hours so that the camera records all the time. So once you set that up, all you need to do is to insert the microsd card, and whenever you do that, the camera will automatically start recording even if there is no Wi-Fi. Look at this light here, it is stable. I'm going to insert the microsd card into the microsd card slot. When the light starts blinking, it means that the camera is recording. As you can see, it has started to blink. Recording has started, and you can actually use this like a body camera too, a portable camera. Now here are some of the shots that I've taken using this camera. This is the night shot. As you can see, it is good enough, not really that great, but again, considering the price, not bad. If the room is small, the output is really good, as you can see here. And now I'm going to switch off the light. This is the infrared mode. You can see it's in complete dark environment. Works really great. There is the recording option in this Digoo video player. Once you switch that on and once you switch that off, that particular clip is saved and you can view that using any other media player. This is how you can convert the full video or part of the video using the Digoo media player, and then you can play this file on any media player. Infrared works great, but up to 10 meters, anything beyond that is no good. This is a snapshot in sunlight condition. This is the night shot for the same, and here is the video. This camera is really good to monitor smaller rooms, and especially in complete dark environment. Now this is infrared, and the contents that you see were recorded in complete dark environment. Really great for this price. I'm now going to switch on the light so you can see the difference here, and it will automatically switch to normal mode and infrared mode. Now this is in daylight video recording. This is indoors, and now I'm going to use the power bank and use it like a portable camera. This is just an example of what you can do. I wished the camera was even better. I'm using this camera and it is getting power from this Mi power bank. So for just rupees 1300 you can actually have a security camera, of course, to monitor a smaller area, a smaller room or a smaller office. You do need a Wi-Fi connection for live monitoring or just once to set up the camera. Whenever you insert the SD card, the camera will automatically start recording, so that is again an added advantage. The camera need not be connected to the Wi-Fi all the time. And the best part is you can use a power bank. So if you have a power problem at your place, just use a power bank. This Digoo security camera is available on banggood.com in black and grey color options for $17.99. That comes to approx rupees 1300. I'm running a giveaway for this camera. You can take part in it. One lucky winner will win this camera for free. The link to the giveaway is mentioned in the description section below. Do check that out. Do check the terms and conditions. Do like this video. Do leave a comment and do share this video. And don't forget to subscribe.